Hey guys, Joey here with World of RV Parts. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Suburban SF-35FQ. This specific one, if you were to purchase the Suburban SF-35FQ as a whole entire unit, you would get the case as well as the unit itself. Now, they do make replacement cores that can slide into these metal cases. I have other videos on my other YouTube channel, Joe's RV Tech DIY, where you can actually see me talking about the ones that we have in stock and the ones that we sell. And the biggest thing is when you're replacing these furnaces, you want to make sure that you're getting one where the gas hookup is in the proper location. On the SF-35FQ, it's in the back corner now. If you were inside your RV and you remove the return air grill, you would see that the gas is in the back corner and it hooks up in the line. If you had a different model, some of the models, like a SF-25, I believe it's on the left front, towards the front of the furnace here. If you were standing outside your RV and you were to take the cover off, it would be on the left front side. So there are variations. So you want to make sure that you're ordering the right one, and that's why, like on our one page, and I'll post a link in the description. We show what the unit is they're buying before they buy it, because we do stock the products we sell, and a lot of companies just drop ship the stuff. There are some situations where we do drop ship things as well, but for the most part, we try to stock as many things as we can because we're trying to become a large RV parts and accessories dealer nationwide. So if you guys are in the market for a Suburban SF-35FQ, I'll post a link below in the description. I'll also post a link in the description for our other YouTube channel where we have a lot of DIY stuff and show you guys how to do this stuff. So till next time, thanks for watching and safe travels.